Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to connect your smartphone to your Android screen in order to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's actually really easy. First thing you need to do is head over to DMP Car Design. I'll leave a link in the description below and pick up this smartphone accessory kit. This kit has a USB port for your smartphone to connect into, and then the other end is a USB cable that will plug directly to the Android screen. Once you purchase the car kit, now we have to download some apps. First thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to the internet. You want to go to the App Store and you want to download Android Auto if you have an Android phone. If you have an Apple phone, what you're going to need is you're going to need a program called Zbox APK. I got it sent to me from DMP Car Design. I loaded it onto a USB stick, and all you need to do is take the USB stick, stick it to the USB port, and upload it to the screen. Since I only have an Apple iPhone, this tutorial is going to be more towards this phone, but if you have an Android phone, all you need to do is hit the Android Auto app, follow the instructions, plug in your phone, and you should be good to go. So for Apple iPhone, I already have my USB stick plugged in. We're going to go to Apps, go to APK Installer. We're going to hit Install, and there's the Zbox. And we're going to hit Next. Install. Now that Zbox is fully installed, as you can see, I have my smartphone up here. It's plugged to its standard USB cable. I have it plugged to the adapter, and this just plugs into the USB. And as soon as you plug it into the USB, the Zbox pops up. It recognizes your phone. Hit allow. There you go. Apple CarPlay. So this is really cool. First and foremost, your phone stays charged because it's plugged to the screen that's connected to your car. You have access to a lot of audio stuff. So you have your phone, you have music, you have messages, Pandora. You can also switch between your Android screen and the Zbox CarPlay platform. And the cool thing is you can also use Siri. Hey Siri! And it comes right up. I haven't really had the chance to play with a lot of other features, but you can definitely go to Apple's website, check out CarPlay, understand the features and benefits, and you could probably learn a lot more than what I have in this video right now. But this is how you get Apple CarPlay on an Android screen and a Mercedes W204. Pretty cool. Well, there you have it guys, a super easy install. I highly recommend it. Reach out to DMP Car Design, pick yourself up one of these car adapters, and start using your smartphone on your Android screen. If you guys liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.